Inspect the movement visually. No missing parts, no damage. Inspect the upper case visually. No scratches, no dents. Apply silicone oil to the upper case drive column. Install the large and small magnetic ring assemblies. When assembling the movement, align the air outlet with the large magnetic ring. Press the movement into place. Test rotation using a ventilation device. QR code scanning for production reporting. The system shows a work reporting record. QC department conducts 10% random checks. If the movement does not rotate after ventilation, it is defective. Check if the valve is open. And if the air outlet is installed in the meter connector. Note: the sealing ring on the air outlet pipe must not be missing. Squeezed out of the steel case meter connector. The defect handling measures. Retain repair records after defective parts are returned for repair.